In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the lighting in a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then search for a photo you would like to edit. Let it be that one. Please note that to change the lighting on that photo, the photo must be taken in the portrait mode. To take photo in portrait mode, open up your camera and then at that toolbar select portrait, then point your camera at some object and take a photo. After that, you will be able to change the lighting in a photo by hitting right here at Edit. Just tap at Edit. That will turn on Edit mode, and after that, tap right here at the very top left corner at that icon. And after that, you will be able to change light of this scene. You can just change it from natural light to studio light, counter light, stage light, and some other presets from here. Once we select one we like the most, let me choose studio light, please. Oh my gosh. So once we find the lighting we like the most, we will also be able to configure it a bit. We can increase the intensity of that effect, and also we can reduce the intensity of the light. That's how we can easily control light on a photo on our iPhones. Then, to save the changes, tap at Done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.